और पहला मुकाबला बंगाल टाइगर्स और चेन्नई राइनोज के बीच में.
For the Bengal Tigers, Mr. Shrikant for the Chennai Rhinos. And for the toss, I've got the coin. Heads is this. This is tails, or the domination is Joy to toss and Sham to call. Tails is the call, ladies and gentlemen. Heads is what it is, which means that the Bengal Tigers have won the toss. And Joy, what is your team going to do?
We would like to bat first.
Yeah. Overs is all they have to put up a big score, and Sham, the captain of the Chennai Rhinos, being positive and hoping that they will be able to match whatever score is put on the board by the Bengal Tigers. So let me remind you that the Bengal Tigers have won the toss and they have elected to bat. And my name is Vineet Malhotra. A very good afternoon to everyone, and with me, my partner in crime is Mr. Sunil Joshi, former player for India, and of course a very, very prominent spinner of his day. Sunil, welcome.
But when you go out in the middle, and it's going to be different.
Sunil, what did you make of the captain? He seemed to be absolutely, and the best part for the Bengal Tigers is that their captain has just cracked a sixer. Well, that's another clean shot, and that's headed for the boundaries, and it is a boundary, so the over has been concluded by a boundary.
That's a big one. Joy, that's his responsibility, getting a boundary to the team. Tigers moves into 18.
तो जो जलवा होता है
होना चाहिए.
वो कब देखने को मिलेगा?
That's a good one. A Tiger has finally cracked it. Vineet, I think he has listened to you, Vineet. That's a good one.
That's once again played in the air, this time falling in no man's land, and that's going to be a 4 as well. One bounce over the ropes, good strike there. Exactly what Yusuf can do so well. Coming down the track this time, that's a much better timing. That exactly is partner what he was trying there. But Yusuf, well, he's got a very good blade and he's got some powers in his arms as well.
Just a solitary over can change things around, and maybe this could be that watershed over for the Bengal Tigers. Another boundary.
With the last single coming, the 50 up as well, and this is played very fine. That's a deft touch, a bit of cheeky shot as well, but the result goes in favor of the Bengal Tigers.
That's a biggie. There's a boundary rider. He won't get there. Another maximum. He does pack a punch when he hits them, does Yusuf.
दो गेंदों में केवल एक रन अभी तक. इस बार आ गया है, पर ये अलग शैली के बल्लेबाज है. ये छोड़ने वाले नहीं यूसुफ.
You know exactly who they're supporting. Is that going to be 50? Yes, it's going to go for 450 for Yusuf with that boundary. And a knock of 53 of just...
They do realize the importance, and this time played on the onside. Once again, a terrific strike. Another 6 to end the over.
आप कैलकुलेट करके बैठे मुझे लग रहा है. चलिए, वाइड नहीं आई पर 4 जरूर आए. Third man have been bowled. 91 for 2 Bengal Tigers set by the Bengal Tigers. Remember, they won the toss और इलेक्ट किया था पहले बैटिंग करना. स्टार्ट इतनी अच्छी रही नहीं. Joy not out.
Yeah, 2 wickets for Ashok, the only successful bowler for the Chennai Rhinos. They utilised 6 bowlers in the end. Sham as well bowling the last over, conceding 8 runs. But really the only successful...
It's going to be runs. The first boundary of the innings coming up with that 4.
Organizers. It's a brilliant shot from Abdullah. Can he get a boundary? Yes. Is it a boundary?
There will be a signal sent out to the on-field umpires as well. Yes, 4 signaled. Far and wide. For the moment, Sandy gets greeted to the bowling crease. And that's going to be 4. Oh, chance there for a stumping. Has he got his man? He's asked for. You're still not out.
It's a good one though, because most... Sandy. That's the one. That's a big heave from Kalairasan. It's a boundary. I'm forgetting his name in one of the. That's a good sweep. Slog sweep. Gets bound.
There you go. Another
Here we
nice
go.
shot.
Here we go. Missed it. It's another boundary.
And that needs no words. That's a beautiful delivery and sends the batsman back to the pavilion. Make the most of it if they can score. And let's see where this gets to. And it's an easy catch. And another wicket down for the Rhinos.
Is a difference between a good player. Oh, appeal as well, and the finger is up. Just heard a sound there, and probably that was the right decision as well made by the umpire. So losing the 4th wicket here, Chennai Rhinos is 69 for 4.
Well, they've bowled it, and what a ball, Ajay. All right, 5 more balls remaining in this last over. And it's a lost cause because another wicket goes down and it's big trouble for the Rhinos. One by
ये
one.
ध्यान होगा मोहन का कि नो बॉल वाइड ना हो और यहाँ पे जीत मिलती हुई बंगाल टाइगर्स के लिए एक शानदार शुरुआत इस सीजन
And come up with a memorable victory for themselves, and that definitely has upped their confidence. जिसने आज उनकी टीम को इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया। तो जैसा हम कह रहे हैं कि चेन्नई राइनोज कोई भी खिलाड़ी इंपैक्टफुल इनिंग्स खेलने में आज नाकामयाब रहा। मोहन ने 3 विकेटें ली और सैंडी ने 2 और देबू उनका साथ देते हुए, पर ओवरऑल अ वेरी वेरी memorable and potent performance by the Bengal team with the bat as well as the ball.
Yeah, bowlers did a terrific job. Mohan was really the shining star with the ball, picking up 3 wickets, 2 wickets for Sandy, 1 for Debu. Even early on, Mandy did a terrific job. Did pick up a wicket, but just see that economy is 7.50. So overall, a good bowling performance by the Bengal Tigers. The last over, Mohan bowling was very impressive in the last over of the innings.
All right, so the Bengal Tigers, of course, winning the toss and notching up a score of 91. And the Chennai Rhinos had their tasks cut out until their wickets fell like dominoes. But nevertheless, the first match of the CCL T10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement, and Chennai goes back packing and